right, we're back. So if I didn't mention before, this is Civil 3D 2024. So we've loaded our template. We're going to start with bringing in data from the field. We're going to import points. Right, again, that's from up here. I have the points menu displayed. For some reason that's missing. I think you go here and you can make sure you're showing the correct toolbars. All right. This is a way to turn on other menus if you're missing some of these that you want to be able to see. Anyway, let's move along. Points, import points, select import/export, and we'll select import. We're going to go down to point number, northing, easting, Z or elevation, and D for description with separated by commas. That is the format that all of our field data is broken up into. We're going to navigate to this project. We're using a real project. And select that file, open. Gives us a little preview of the data that's going to come in. Hit OK. And it looks like nothing happened. But it did. It's just our coordinates. Down here, you can see I have it displaying my coordinates. These are pretty small magnitude values. Our jobs are on state plane coordinate systems, so they're going to be way over in this direction somewhere. You can go to view, zoom. You could zoom extents, which will show everything in the whole drawing, or you could just double click the mouse wheel and it does the same thing. I'll put my cursor over by where the points are and I'll wheel in or wheel up and it zooms in. This is all of our point data. Somebody shot a building corner here. I can drag the text around by selecting the point, grabbing this little grip that pops up, moving the label. Okay, we can see how the text is on top of each other here, and it's kind of hard to deal with. We can temporarily shrink down our drawing scale. Let's make it 1 inch equals a foot. There, now they're smaller and they're more legible. We can even reduce it to 1 inch equals an inch, then they really won't be on top of each other, but then they're sort of hard to deal with when they're that tiny. So I like to keep it around, say 1 inch equals 5. We're going to bring in some more data from the field. Our guys collect line work automatically in the field. So we're going to go to insert a block. That came up on my other screen for some reason. So we move this menu over here. We don't need to select the insertion point. I don't know what that was, but I don't have that checked usually. 0, 0, 0 is fine because it's going to be the same coordinate values as the point data. We're going to hit this to select which block we're going to bring in. We're going to use DXF format. That's the format that our data comes in from. We're going to go back to the same project. There's the field line work file. Let's say open. And it's simple as that. Look, it's in here, but it's all one big group together. I'm going to hit escape to unselect what I just selected. I can window it, grab it, escape to unselect. And that's pretty cool. See the building? It's like a fence. It's like a dock going out into the lake. Here's the road. So there you have it. So I'm going to stop this here.